Alright, in this video we're going to learn a little bit about finding function values. So if I give you a function f of x equals negative 5x plus 4, remember f of x is just y. I just want to keep reiterating that this is another way of just stating y. Then f of negative 2 is equal to what? So what it's really asking me to do is take my function and put negative 2 in for x. It's just a different way of writing what we've been doing this year when we graph. So f of negative 2 equals, we're going to plug negative 2 in for my x values. So I'll have negative 5 times negative 2 plus 4. Using order of operations, I get a positive 10 plus 4. And so my answer is just simply 14. F of negative 2, the function value at negative 2, is 14. We're just going to go through a few other examples on this. This time I have an x squared in my problem. Still going to be doing the same thing. F of 1 just means I'm putting 1 in for my x values. So I'll have 1 squared minus 3. Make sure you use order of operations. 1 squared is 1 minus 3. That's negative 2. So my function value at 1 is negative 2. In my next example, I am going to evaluate f of negative 3. So this time I'll be plugging negative 3 in for my x values. So as you can see, I'm replacing my x with negative 3 and copying everything else straight down. F of negative 3 is equal to negative 2 times, we're going to do negative 3 times negative 3, which is 9. Using order of operations, exponents come first. Then we'll multiply, which gives me negative 18 plus 3 for my final answer of negative 15. And I have one more example. This time I have an absolute value. And this time I'm also finding f of negative 4. So I'm going to plug negative 4 in for my x values. Using order of operations, I will get 3 times negative 4 is negative 12 minus 5. Negative 12 minus 5 plus the opposite on that gives me a negative 17. And so f of negative 4 is equal to a positive 17 once I take the absolute value of it.